Hello friends and welcome to a new crypto chat video. In this video I want to show you how to use GIS bridge swap on their website on g/sol.org. Now if you don't know what G token is, G token it's a hot token on Solana network that you can find and trade it on birdseye.so. However guys, I'm not giving any financial advice. This video is only for educational purposes and entertainment. Now let's go back to our bridge. In order to use the cross-chain bridge swap, you'll need to connect your wallet following these steps. I'm using Solfrere wallet. Then I have to choose the network that I want to bridge to and the token that I want on that network. For example, let's do it on Arbitrum. And for instance, I want to change 0.05 Solana to Ethereum on Arbitrum. I'm gonna get 0.0016 Ethereum. And I want that tokens to get transferred to my Arbitrum wallet, so I'll add my Arbitrum wallet below. Then it's finding the routing, and then you click create thread. The wallet is gonna pop up. Here is showing you how much you're gonna approve. A small fee of that is going to the GIS treasury wallet. The project needs a way to get some money in order to develop in the future. Then you click approve and you have to await the transaction confirmation. Order fulfilled and job done. So in this way you can transfer on any other chain that you want. Be careful because the Solana wallets, they are different from the other wallets. So I'll strongly suggest you to add the address that you want to send your tokens here. Make sure that you put the chain correctly and the token that you want to receive. Swap and transfer, and then you send the token. So automatically you're exchanging your Solana token, that can be any token on Solana, for any token on any other network. I am finding it very useful and very easy to use. However guys, we are at the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and new videos are coming. Have a good one.